Hey creators, welcome this week to another product update video. Today we're going to talk about some small improvements that we've made in Lummi and some upcoming new changes for Musho. So let's get started. First thing that I want to talk to you today is about Lummi. We've released this plugin a couple of weeks ago as a standalone plugin so that you can play around with it in your designs made with Musho and then, always search for the image that you want and insert it super quickly into your block. So this is a good alternative if you were, for example, using Musho to edit your layer names and go from DALL-E to SDXL, meaning Stable Diffusion, or Lummi. But now with the plugin, it's even easier because you can just browse for the images that you want and just insert them anywhere in the canvas. So this has been out for a while, but a change that we wanted to talk to you today is that if you open up an image and you find that there's something weird with the AI, maybe the quality is not there, or maybe, that person has a third ear because AI can get it wrong sometimes, you can always go into the image and then look at this little flag button and let us know if you find it inappropriate, if there's any visual deformities, technical issues, or anything else. So this is quite a small update, but we think that it's super important that you let us know if we have any images, because it's not only going to impact that Lummi library, it's going to impact the generations that you make with Musho as well. Another change that I wanted to share with you is if you've been using Lummi for a couple of weeks now, you may have noticed that the category page had a bunch of images to preview each category. And what we've done is actually change this UI slightly so that it's just easier for you to browse down and look at all of the different categories that you have in Lummi. And the cool thing is that you can continue to use the random function. So say that you want to look at nature, or let's change this for something with animals. You can either go into the category page and pick one that you want, or you can just insert random within the category page. So that's it for Lummi. Again, super small changes, but we think they're super important to improve your experience with us. Now let's get into the changes that we have in Musho. So what we have right here is social media posts, and we've actually built these using Musho. So we have a new feature coming up that you might see by the time that you watch this video that allows you to switch between landing pages and social media to create more than just your landing pages. So you can ask it to create stories, posts, things that work for your ads, and you're going to find that they are always going to be responsive. They're always going to have those nice Lummi images that you can change, and you can ask it to create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slides, as many that you want actually. So I hope that by the time you see this, you're going to be able to see this social media drop down so that you can switch between your different modes of generation. Okay, so that's it for today. It was a short one, and please let us know if you have any suggestions, comments, or feedback in the comment section, and we'll be back next week with more.